Hello learners, I am Professor Rachna Chaturvedi, Director Research, Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal. Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn a simple idea into a thriving business? So welcome to the world of startups and entrepreneurship, where innovation meets opportunity and execution creates impact. So, today's course, the title of the course is Startup and Entrepreneurship, and it is suitable for undergraduate students. And the affiliating institute for this course is Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal. Now, every course has certain objectives, so obviously this course is also having certain objectives. So, the first is to foster entrepreneurial thinking and innovation mindset. The second is to equip the learners with the tools to develop and launch startups. The third one is to promote understanding of business modeling, planning, and scaling. And of course, the fourth is to encourage job creation and self-employment through entrepreneurship. Now, as far as the description of the course is concerned, this course introduces the fundamentals of entrepreneurship and startup creation. So, it blends theory and practice to help learners to develop entrepreneurial competencies and identify viable business opportunities. Now, students can gain insight into ideation, business planning, funding, legal frameworks, and market strategies. Now, this whole course is divided into 15 weeks. The week 1 is all about understanding entrepreneurship. Week 2 is Indian context and startup innovation. The week 3 is business opportunity identification. Week 4 is business idea development. Week 5 is entrepreneurial marketing. Week 6 is legal, HR and operations in entrepreneurship. Week 7 is production and institutional support regarding the entrepreneurship. Now, week 8 is all about support systems and MSME ecosystem. Week 9 is strategy and finance. Week 10 is rural and women entrepreneurship. Week 11 is corporate social responsibility and impact assessment. Week 12 is taxation, finance and economic aspects. Week 13 is startup economics and feasibility. Week 14 is communication and storytelling. And week 15 is startup foundations and life cycle. So this whole structure is 15 weeks curriculum, which will be the theory will be there, the classes, and followed by case studies or the guest lectures. Now, we have certain prerequisites and eligibility for this course. First of all, it is open to graduates, aspiring entrepreneurs, and working professionals. Basic understanding of business concepts is definitely helpful, but not mandatory. Third is strong, definitely motivation to explore entrepreneurship is preferred, definitely. Now, this course has certain learning outcomes. When you are completing this course, you will be able to understand the startup ecosystems, create a viable business model and plan, develop financial and marketing strategies, identify funding sources and manage compliances, and to pitch to investors and stakeholders confidently. Now, as far as the course duration and credit is concerned, the total duration of the course, again I am saying it is 15 weeks and total 40 modules are there. The credit offered is 4 credits and the mode of this course is hybrid, that is online plus assignments or case studies. Now, let's come to the grading scheme. There are 2 parts in the grading scheme. One is internal assessment. A 30% weightage is given to the grading, internal assessment, which includes quizzes, assignments, presentations. Then comes the final examination, that is 70% weightage is given to the final examination, which includes theory, business and business plan submission. So, the minimum passing marks, that is 50% aggregate of internal as well as final combined together, will be your minimum passing marks. Now, the course is also designed for undergraduate learners at an advanced stage of UG, that is third year, and focuses on applied entrepreneurial skills, strategic business planning, innovation, startup ecosystems, engagement, and social entrepreneurship. So the curriculum basically integrates real life case studies, industry expert lectures, and feasibility based project work, which corresponds to the level 5.5 on NCRF framework. Now let's come to the industry linkages. Now the course content developed with an insight from Startup India, AICT Idea Lab, and MSME innovation schemes. So the career linkages is incubation support, internship opportunities, business mentoring via ISECT industry partners. So enroll now and be a part of India's innovation ecosystem. Thank you so much.